any content idea? I want a telescope. So pricey. Lunar observation for $5? Inyapchi? I've got something really interesting for you.
Yes.
I've got something really interesting. Your reaction is generous.
Generous reaction, huh? What do you mean?
It's a $5 lunar telescope.
Hang, I think you got scammed. Can it see the moon?
What's inside? Cylinder.
Can we see anything? It looks too shabby.
Assemble this.
Right now?
Yes, right away.
Right away, right away.
Okay. Let's try.
Assemble it.
To summarize the components, this tube,
Till
mysterious black paper,
mysterious black item.
mysterious
Mysterious red and black mystery.
white.
Wow!
This looks like chalk. Okay, then let's assemble.
Assemble. How to do it? Yes.
I'll trust you. You know how? You guaranteed it, right?
Ah, yes. Yes, really.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, not these first.
Ah, yes, start with this.
With this mysterious rubber, oops,
Insert the lens.
like this here. Insert it,
Like this. The eyepiece lens serves as like this.
and then like this,
On it,
on it.
small piece, small piece.
Small piece,
Long piece.
a long piece, right?
Yes. Yes.
The long piece goes up.
No, take it out.
Long piece,
Take out the long piece.
don't you know?
No, just insert the red piece.
Insert red.
Roll this paper. Wrap it around and insert it here inside. It makes it darker, and then
Awesome.
insert this lens like this. Insert it. It's magnified.
Roll it tightly.
Oh, yes.
You're unsure too, right?
Is this correct?
Seeing moon easy.
Finished.
Uh-huh. Done.
Done.
Ba-bum.
How to see?
The small part to your eye. Like this. Mysterious blue. Rocket fresh.
It's vague and blurry. How to see?
This is called a Keplerian refracting telescope.
Ah.
It's a convex lens. Adjust the focus.
Move it then. Oh! I see it!
Can you see something?
Oh. But I don't know. Why like this?
It's a Keplerian telescope using two convex lenses so light enters and flips. It flips and spreads out like this, but then it converges again, going straight while crossing here.
It flips. What's the magnification on this?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I don't know, roughly under 1,000.
1,000 times?
Less than 1,000.
Does it get close to 1,000 times?
No. Even twice as under 1,000.
I see clearly.
It's better than expected.
I thought of something fun. I'll print small text to see if you can read it.
Sounds fun. Doing.
Yes. Now you're waiting and there's text written on a post-it.
Isn't the Opshi dog so rude?
How you see?
I see clearly.
Over there? It's written in 20-point font. Can't see.
I can't see it at all. Gimbal.
Oh, ding dong?
Oh wow, Geekball.
Oh, you see that? Nothing else?
Oh, what's this?
Oh, I can see it.
Is it surprising?
Why is it so clear for just $5? It looks like a toy. What's the principle behind it?
There's a convex lens that magnifies the image.
Like a magnifier?
Two lenses magnify more. To explain more precisely, this one mainly magnifies and the big one here gathers light. This gathers light and this one magnifies. Can't you see up to the creator?
The meteorite impact marks. Oh. In the end, it's amazing that you can see the moon with just these two. I thought the principles of celestial observation were incredibly complex, but it's not that different from this principle.
That's right.
Ah, so the essence is the same.
Everything is same. In the end,
See the moon with a crude telescope.
see the moon.
You can?
You can.
You can.
You can.
Let's go! Go! Days are long.
It's summer.
I forgot.
Checked earlier. Clouds weren't clear today.
See these clouds?
No, no, stop! A second. Where's the moon?
Where's the moon?
Going down.
Really?
Already said.
All clouds.
Always. Moon said.
Jackie. Oh, there it is, Jackie! Hurry, hurry!
Can't see it.
Blocked by building.
Yes.
Hurry, take a picture, Jackie. Help. It's our last chance today.
They say a typhoon is coming tomorrow. Oh, found it.
See it?
Just a moment. Oh. I can see it.
See it?
There's a big crater on the left now.
Well,
I can see everything really well.
can't see.
Really well.
First, we'll fix the tripod and show you.
I can see it. Don't move. I can't focus.
Hang in.
Ah, don't move. Hands are. Stay still. Oh. With the telescope, you can see all the details.
Really?
Not much time.
Shall we go over that building?
Try going over there.
Keep appearing. I see it.
Oh, I see it, but still. Hanging on.
Ah, the moon. It's really frustrating.
How did you feel seeing it?
How did I feel seeing this? Did Galileo Galilei feel this way?
Really? Galileo Galilei, despite using a primitive telescope with a narrow field of view, meticulously observed and sketched the moon. His observations later inspired Isaac Newton, who was born the year Galileo died, leading to the groundbreaking discovery of the law of universal gravitation. Many great scientific breakthroughs, such as heliocentrism and the expansion of the universe, began with simple observations. So why not take a moment today to look at the sky instead of your smartphone? Even a $5 telescope can reveal fascinating details, sparking curiosity and inspiration just as it did for the great minds of the past. On clear days,